Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Jupiter X and Elementor to create some seriously cool scrolling effects. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to make an image scale as you scroll down the page. It's a super simple way to add a touch of magic to your website and really grab your visitors' attention. Trust me, it's easier than you think. And if you're new here, Jupiter X is an all-in-one Elementor-based WordPress theme trusted by over 200,000 users. It replaces Elementor Pro with built-in tools, includes 450 plus ready-made websites, and comes with a one-time payment instead of recurring fees. Let's get started. You can add the scale scrolling effect to any element in Jupiter X, not just the image widget. Think of it like zooming past Earth's orbit. Whether it's text, icons, or sections, you can make them expand and contract as you scroll, giving your page a smooth sense of motion and depth. I'm selecting this image widget of our planet Earth. Okay, let's head over to the Advanced tab in the Edit Image panel. This is where the fun begins. Alright, just scrolling down a bit in the Edit Image panel. Now we can see the motion effects options. We're getting close. Now, let's enable scrolling effects for this image, really bringing it to life. Next, let's open the scale settings under Motion Effects to fine-tune how this element grows as we scroll, almost like our planet slowly coming into view from orbit. Let's scroll down a bit here to observe our planet getting closer. Whoa, check that out! Now it's time to reverse the course of our space journey. Let's switch the scale direction to scale down instead, so our planet Earth appears to drift farther away as we scroll. We can also achieve this effect by using a negative speed with the Scale Up option. Let's switch back to Scale Up and apply a negative speed to see our planet zoom out as we scroll. Okay, let's adjust the scaling speed now. We'll drag the speed slider all the way to -10. This will change the rate at which the image zooms out as we scroll. Let's check the result. Our planet is now drifting farther away as we scroll, like we're slowly pulling out of orbit. And there you have it. You've just mastered the scrolling scale effect in Jupiter X, making your images drift through your page like planets in orbit. You can experiment with different speeds and directions to create your own cosmic motion. Thanks for watching, and may your web pages always soar among the stars. See you in the next video.